ASMR videos. I'm kind of shy. People call me beautiful. That means so much. Alright. That means so much to me, seriously. So I haven't made a video in like 2 months. Because I haven't really been sneezy. But that's my sins. But we've just been cleaning a bit my room. Like, getting rid of my room. And it's just gotten to me, like, I'm moving my eyes and everything. So, yeah. It's really good here. And, I'm getting a lot of requests to make more videos. So this will be my second video on this account. Sorry. Yeah. Looks like I'm wearing what I wore last time, but I'm actually wearing this t-shirt here. So I'm wearing this because my hair looks like shit, as you can see. So if you have any requests, just leave them below and I will check. And I will check them out and see what I will do and what I want, because I know some of you that go a bit too far. You can email me if you want to trade videos, if you know what I mean. But I only trade for trade, so I won't just send you one. Don't worry. A lot. Since my first video, I've had 3 companies message me asking if I wanted to get paid to do this. Well, I'd love to get paid to do this because it's fun. I enjoy sneezing. It's fun, and I love watching other people's videos. It is like sneezing. Sorry, this sounds so weird. Sneezing and nipple rubbing. I know this is so weird, but those 2 things are like the biggest turn on for me ever. And watching people's videos on YouTube, it's just like, oh my god. My boyfriend, I have a boyfriend. We've only been going out for like 2 days, but he's like my best friend. He doesn't even know that I have this like fetish. I think he thinks I was so weird. I have to delete my history every time. It's so horrible. But I'll keep doing this for you guys. And yeah, just email me when you get to know more. If you have any tips, I'll go over my allergies. I'm allergic to cats and I have 1 cat. I'm allergic to dust and pollen. Sorry. I'm allergic to perfume, but it depends how much perfume. I'm allergic to like musk spray than perfume, but yeah. candles. Someone's Skyping me. Candles. And just, I got hay fever, as you can see with my eye itching. And most times when I'm doing my makeup, I'm sneezing, so, because I use a lot of powder and makeup, but I'm gonna stop. I use powder because my face is quite greasy, as you can see. My face is quite greasy, so. Sorry. It's so horrible. It's so horrible when I do like when I do like air in one. When I do like warm, I just feel so. Okay. So yeah. I probably look disgusting like my face is, but my boobs are all wet. But just leave comments, responding, tell me what you think of my videos so far. I have a better camera if you want me to use that. HD one is a Nikon. I'm using my webcam right now. That's why I'm not on my bed. I just like using this one better because I can see myself. And